Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the DualSense Wireless Controller for the PlayStation 5 from Sony. This is an authentic PlayStation 5 DualSense controller from Sony. As you can see, there's an image right away. This is the controller that you get when you buy a PS5. And we have some specifications mentioned. Of course, this comes with DualSense Wireless Controller and also an instruction manual. This is haptic feedback. So this is the area where you get all the haptic feedback from. Adaptive triggers, built-in microphone and signature comfort. We're going to open this and show you what's inside. This is what you'll find inside the box. We have a user manual instruction manual for the DualSense wireless controller. Everything that you need to know, how to set up, how to recharge, how to use, etc. is all mentioned over here. This is an important document. You should keep it safe. Let me quickly take a look if this comes with warranty. And the specifications are mentioned. Input power rating is 5 volt, voltage is 3.65 volts. It has built-in lithium-ion battery which has a capacity of 1560. Operating temperature is 5 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius, and approximate weight is 280 grams. Now let's take a look at the PS5 DualSense wireless controller. There you go. This is what it looks like. It comes with this matte surface which is very comfortable on your skin. This is a very well built controller. Of course, this is an authentic Sony PS5 wireless controller, the new DualSense technology that they've come up with. The haptic sensor is over here. This is also the start button. Okay. This is also the menu. This is also actually the option button for when you're playing a game. The triggers are right over here. There's a new adaptive triggers that Sony has come up with. These are your directional keys and these are obviously your joystick. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the DualSense wireless controller for the PS5 from Sony. Thank you for watching.